Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to check the graphics card in your laptop. To do it, just right-click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, open the Performance section and go to GPU tab. And right here you'll be able to find the name of your graphics card, which is AMD Radeon 760M graphics in my case, and down below you can see the specifications of your graphics card. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.